Alright, we're gonna go get our stuff to go on the boat. You ready to go on the boat?
Yeah.
Max is ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Huh, which one can fit a whole bunch of people?
We got us two.
4 kids.
Well, we have an infant.
Yeah.
Probably a rowboat because that doesn't have a weight limit restriction on it.
Okay.
We got the goods.
We got the good butt.
Got the goods. We got the oars.
We got the good
We got them hoes. So we can be safe. I can't believe I'm going out on the boat.
Walk these down.
They're trying to get the boat. Like, they don't have anyone like down here. It's like assist you. Yeah, so it's like the boat's just laying around. They're all chained up, and you go up to the store. They give you the key for the number boat, but all of them don't have numbers on them. See, like, this is the shit. Like, they have a pool here, and they have a pool, and it has a slide, and there's this woman that like freaking policing the damn slide. Like, this is what you need to be policing. Like, have somebody down here to assist. Like, we don't know, because some of the boats, they don't have numbers on them. They're just laying around. They're all chained up, so you don't know which one is which. And going out on the boat with all of us, you need to make sure, because she gave us a key and say use this one because it doesn't have a weight limit on it. But then when you came down here, we don't see the boat. There's just a bunch of random boats. Some don't have nothing on them. So it's like... yeah, so Jay just went back up to the store to see if he can. There's a bigger one. It looks like a newer one. Doesn't have any number on it. So he went out to see if he can get the keys for that one. That we can eventually go out on the lake. Because the kids really want to go. Yeah, that's my rant. Somebody just came. Oh, yeah? You can hold it for me.
You got it, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
We all can fit in this one, Ben?
Yeah, we can.
Did they give you life jackets?
Yeah, we got them. They're right
You got
there.
a little one for the baby?
Yeah, we have one.
We have one.
Okay, because they sink fast.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Go, Bob. Bob, I thought you wanted to get in. Back in, Rose?
Yeah, I'm back in.
There we go. Now we're moving. Too late now, Izzy. We're just going back up there and back.
Yeah, we're gonna go across the lake and then we're gonna come back.
Woo! We're moving now, baby!
We're going now. Alright, we changed captains.
Junior officer on the helm here.
Yeah.
You ready to row? You want to see the boat? You're going back to the beginning?
to go all the way up. Where are we going?
I'm going back.
You going back now?
Come back? Then go this way.
Back there.
Yeah. Izzy, guess what? After you come out, you and Mommy have conquered a fear. I conquered my fear of boats yesterday. Or the day before when I went on the boat. Because Mommy had a huge fear of boats.
Yeah, because me and her both on the spot. Yeah.
Not a boat, but I was swimming. Well, not swimming. I was supposed to be playing volleyball. No, all of a sudden I find myself way out in the middle of nowhere. Maddie! Babe, no! Stop it!
Not funny.
Max, you're enjoying it, aren't you, bud?
Actually, too.
We do get. I'll pull us over. Wait, Dave, push us.
There we go. Pull us up, bro. Pull! Pull! Is that fun, Izzy?
I still got my beautiful things. Feathers.
So you got your beautiful feathers?
Yeah.
That was fun. That wasn't all that scary, wasn't it?
It's a little scary.
It's a little scary.
Yeah.
Think,
I found another one.
think you want to go again? No?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Three, Mama.
Hey, Maddie. Rose, they're waiting in this to go on the slide and shivering. Like I said, they policed the slide. You only can go one by one and you can't hang out in that spot. I guess it's for safety, but.
The next day.
Oh, look who slept all by themselves in their bed last night. Brother did. Hi, Maddie girl. Maddie girl. Maddie girl. Maddie girl. Maddie girl. Maddie girl. All right. We're going to Lake Ontario. Wanna come? All right, come on, let's go. Let's go eat some breakfast. Hey guys, so it's day 4 of camping. And we came to see the Great Lake of Ontario. Is that what it's called, babe? Ontario. Wow. This is amazing. Look how huge this thing is. Like you can't even see the other end. Bro, leave a diaper bag in.
Okay.
Stick your tootsies in there. It's cold. Hey, Maxie.
Let's get one. Oh man.
Let me show you how it's done.
That one is crazy. Yeah, guys, we should find a rock as a memorabilia.
Yeah.
That we can.
Jay.
Oh, look, this one is cool. We can ride on it. Look, you can keep this one. And we'll take this one. We write Lake Ontario 2023, whatever.
Jay, can you?
Yeah.
Jay,
Dang.
Oh, wow. That was like it just sat right on the top after a while.
That's gonna be harder.
Bye, Lake. It's been amazing. Hello. Huh?
The Great Lakes.
Say it again.
This lake here is the smallest of all the Great Lakes. Lake Erie, Lake Superior.
Uh-huh.
Actually, Lake Superior is largest. Stop.
This one's one of the biggest ones, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a nuclear plant right
Nuclear plant, yeah, this thing up here.
there. That's
Yeah.
I got this too.
Alright.
there's 2 or 3 of them there. I know at least 2 nuclear.
Nuclear plants over there.
I believe there's a 3rd one that might be shut down.
Ah. Oh, that's amazing. We're glad we got to see it. Alright. We're gonna have a performance by Izzy. Take it away, Meister.
We just want small boys singing their song. We just want small
In 2 miles, take exit 33 for New York 69 toward Parrish.
boys strong. One by one we'll grow, and together sing along. We just fill all the world will we sing. We just fill all the world will we sing. Yay! Not a little bit faster. If you leave this concert, look at all the friends I made. These memories will never fade. I'm the beat, and I can beat.
In half a mile, take exit 33 for New York 69 toward Parrish.
Oh, mama.
Christ milk.
Together sing along. We're just all the world will we sing.
Hi guys, so we're back from Lake Ontario. And now, where are we going, Shnez? The dog park.
The human park and the dog park.
The human park and the dog park.
I'm going to the
And we got Big Brother Ro and Baby Duty. He wanted to carry Maddie. Alright. Let's go to the dog park. All dogs must be accompanied by their human. All dogs should be under voice control. Voice control. Hear that, Maggie? No shouting. Alright, so we're at the end, and Mommy won. I'm joking. Dad won at 51. I'm 64, and Ro is 183.
No, I'm not.
83.
Winner. Again, with the baby strapped to me.
Here's your first place prize.
A half drink water bottle.
And Ro, here's your third place prize. What do I get for second place? I get one of Izzy's arm wristbands.
No, you get this.
Girl wants to slap it with a golf club. Alright, what do we do next? People, look how nice these cabins are. Because they are not pet friendly. They got flowers planted. They got a nice front yard. We definitely should come back without Maggie so we can get one of these nicer ones. You see? You see?
It reminds me of Gettysburg cabin.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, has a loft and everything.
It's me, the star of the show.
Yeah, Philip, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Action shots.
Good?
Hey, Mara.
All right.
I feel like it's jump to the sky. It's a light now. To the park we go. I'm a videographer for that. Look at that booty.
This is why you're not the videographer. Model.
Oh yeah. Hello, Madeline.
Hello, Madeline. How was your nap day, Madeline? Look at this.
Hey, I see you eyeing the chicks up. Oh no, you're gonna dry out the shark, Max.
Stand?
Yeah, stand.
Yeah.
I'm gonna flip Izzy up.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Yeah, but she's
It's just stand on it. Stand on
Go
it.
back up.
Now it's like a sawhorse. Or a seesaw, I mean. Maddie likes it. Look at her. Maddie likes it, yeah.
I think it's smiling.
You like it, Maddie? What you doing, Maxie? Burying a shark?
I love you, little one. He's so cute how he calls her little one.
All summer long, do what we do best. Piggy, thanks for calling and keep on rolling.
I don't know, man. They speak the same language.
If you think you, a child in your care, or another loved one were harmed by endo or a related company, including PAR or AMS, or their products.
So cute how you notice that's what he calls her all the time, little one. And we tried poutine. I guess it's like a Canadian thing. And I like it. It's like basically fries with gravy and some sort of cheese that tastes like chicken. What do you think of it? Well, you had it before, so.
It's good.
What do you think, Carol?
I like it.
What do you think is? She just wants juice. And what do you think of the poutine, Max? Did you like it?
There's somebody else.
Yeah.
The expression.
I like it because the cheese tastes like chicken. And Maddie's still eating her fry. Maddie, did you like your poutine? Did you like your poutine? Did you like? Oh, you're burping. I guess that's like that. All right, bye again. Max, sure got Daddy's beer.
Heck, man. You need to keep your pet under control.
Max, get your shark. He's eating Daddy's beard. Did. Your turn, Max. Your turn, Max. Go. 1, 1, 1. Oh! You missed us too, Bob. Izzy, remember I told you can't jump twice. You gotta do 1 hop per box. You gotta do 1 hop a box. So 1. There you go. Yeah, that's a little bit better. You wanna try, Max? All right, let Maxie try. Watch out. Try Max. 1.
1, 2.
Good job, Bob. Izzy finally got her Shirley Temple.
Nice.
Is it yummy, Max? It's real yummy.
Can you hold it correctly?
Hold it at the bottom.
Put it down here.
Yeah.